Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create your first home map on the MOVA V50 Ultra. To create your first home map, you will need to go into the MOVA Home app that you can connect your robot into. If you don't know how to do it, there's a video about it already on the channel. And let me show you. If you don't have a map yet, you will have an option to start fast mapping. Instead of fast mapping, you could start cleaning and then it would map during the cleaning, but I recommend fast mapping before cleaning because then you can adjust all the like rooms. You can set up thresholds, passable and unpassable thresholds. You can just adjust some settings of the map, so I recommend doing fast mapping first. For that, make sure to clean your environment by removing some obstacles, or arranging furniture in a way that the robot can access most of the places, and remove any cables, pieces of clothing, and stuff like that that may distract the robot. It may just make the robot get stuck on. Once you click on OK, it will start quick mapping. Now it will take a short time. Make sure to open all the doors to all the rooms also. And yeah, during that the robot will just go around your home to map everything without cleaning. My robot took a very short time because I set it on a table so that it would take a short time. But yeah, it's already done. My map isn't going to be perfect because the robot couldn't go anywhere besides the table. Of course, it should be set on the floor in a normal scenario, but yeah, the mapping is completed. Now I'll click on correct. You can adjust the map, but there will be a video about editing the map later, so feel free to check it out as well. As you can see, the map isn't perfect, but it exists already. It also marks some obstacles automatically, like for example here, it shows me that it has recognized a cord and that there's like it's 88% sure that it's a cord there. And yeah, it was really a cord. So there it is. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.